Hey everyone, my name's Alexandra and I am a watercolor artist. Welcome to part 4 of this year's Cozy Christmas Cards in Under 10 Minutes. Today I am going to be teaching you guys how to paint such an adorable card. We're going to have an assortment of different little Christmas things on our card. We'll have some pine branches, gingerbread cookies, and a few other things. Let's get started. For supplies today, you guys will need 2 cups of water. I have one for clean, one for dirty water, a napkin for drying your paintbrush. For paintbrushes today, I'm using Princeton Rounds, numbers 2, 6, and 8. Paper, I have 140-pound cold press watercolor paper, which I've taped down to my table. And lastly, for paint, I'm using Philisophy and Co's terrain palette. I'm just going for Christmas colors in this palette here, but you guys are welcome to use whatever colors you'd like for your card. So the first thing that we are going to do for our painting is paint a few gingerbread men and gingerbread cookies. So I'm going to actually start with my number 6 brush here. And I realized my palette didn't have brown paint on it, so I just grabbed one from a different palette, but you guys can mix brown by mixing some red, yellow, and blue if you don't have any. So I'm just going to mix this one with a little bit more of my colors here. I'm adding some orange to it just to get more of that gingerbread color. It's a little bit too red right now, so we're gonna add a little bit more orange and yellow. Get that nice kind of caramelly color. Perfect, that looks good. Okay, so now that I've done that, can water it down just a little bit. And with my brush, I am just gonna jump straight into painting my gingerbread men. You guys are welcome to draw this ahead of time if you'd like. So I'm gonna start with the circle for the head. And then coming down from that, I have 2 arms that are sticking out on either side. And then we're gonna extend down and do our 2 legs. And keep in mind, these do not have to look perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and do another one down here, and then we'll add some cookies. So we have our head. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more intentional to make my arms more separate from the head for this one. Keeping them a little bit skinnier this time, but again, I don't mind if we have a big cookie. And then we're gonna go down and add our 2 legs. And now I'm gonna add a star-shaped cookie. If you guys wanna switch to a smaller brush for this section to make it a little bit easier, you're more than welcome to. And again, if you wanna draw ahead of time, it also definitely can help. And we're gonna do another star cookie over here. All right, now I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush and I'm gonna add in some pine branches. So going into my greens, I'm mixing my balsam vine leaf, and just a tiny bit of blue to give it a little bit more of a forest green color. And now with my small brush, I'm gonna paint little lines on my paper, and then I'm doing tiny little lines coming off of that, all heading towards that center first line that I did. So you can see it's almost in a V shape here. And I'm having them really nice and loose. We're gonna paint a few of these. I had too much water there, so I'll just take some away. Painting those lines angled in sort of that V shape. And the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add in some little red berries. So continuing with my small brush, I'm just painting in some red circles all throughout. Because I sort of want this to look a little bit like we're baking, I'm actually going to add in a few elements that you would use when you're baking. So I'm going to go ahead and paint in a little whisk onto my painting. So using my brown paint here, I can go ahead, draw our handle. I'm using my really skinny brush here to do my really fine lines for my whisk. And now I'm going to do the same thing with that handle, and we'll paint a spatula as well. So I have the dark brown handle here. And then I'm going to make my spatula kind of this light pink color. And now the last thing that we're gonna do for kind of our cooking stuff is add in a spoon. I just want to tie this in with the rest of my painting. So I can do that. I'll add one in just over here. I'm gonna start with the same brown paint. I'm just gonna water it down a little bit for the top of our spoon. We'll add a little bit of shading into that after, but I now want to add in some details to our actual gingerbread men. So sticking with the same brown color, using the very tip of my brush, I can add little circles for eyes, and I can add a little mouth. For my star cookies, if I want, I can go in with the same brown and just outline the shape here. If you guys happen to have a white pen, then that's something that I like to do too, because it can look like you put white icing on it, which is quite nice. And now we just want to add some little detailed designs to our gingerbread men. So I'll start with a green paint here, and I'm just gonna paint some little squiggles by the feet and the hands. And then we'll add little bow ties as well. So I'm starting with a circle in the middle of each of those, and now I can go in with my red paint and just follow the lines where I did the green. And then we'll finish off our bow tie. So I did my circle there, so I'm adding triangles to each side. And then with my red paint too, if I want, I can add a little hat to the top of our gingerbread men. So the next thing I'm going to do is just add some buttons coming down, and we are just about done our painting here. Just gonna add a little nose on each of them. All right, and that is all we have for our assorted Christmas card here. That's so adorable with kind of more of a baking theme. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you followed along, make sure to take a picture of it, send it to me on Instagram. I love to see what you guys are doing. Also, if there's anything else that you'd like to learn, leave a comment below and let me know. Lastly, if you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time.